Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered how to capture the beauty of the Milky Way in all its glory? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, this video will take you step by step through everything you need to know about photographing the Milky Way. From choosing the right gear to perfecting your camera settings and post-processing, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to take breathtaking night sky images. So, grab your camera and let's get started. Before we dive into the technical details, let's first understand what we're photographing. The Milky Way is our galaxy, a vast collection of stars, gas, and dust stretching across the sky. The brightest and most photogenic part is the Galactic Core, which is visible at different times of the year depending on your location. Key points. The best time to photograph the Milky Way is between March and October in the Northern Hemisphere and February to October in the Southern Hemisphere. The Galactic Core is most visible between midnight and 4 a.m. on clear, moonless nights. You'll need to be far from city lights to reduce light pollution. To capture stunning Milky Way images, you'll need the right equipment. Let's go over the essential gear. 1. Camera. A DSLR or mirrorless camera with manual settings. A camera with good low-light performance is ideal. 2. Lens. A wide-angle lens, 14mm to 24mm, to capture a large portion of the sky. A fast aperture f/2.8 or lower, for better light sensitivity. 3. Tripod. A sturdy tripod is crucial to prevent camera shake during long exposures. 4. Intervalometer. A remote shutter release to minimize vibrations. 5. Extra essentials. A red flashlight to preserve night vision, warm clothing, and a headlamp for comfort during long shoots. Great photography starts with great planning. Let's go through how to find the perfect location and time for your Milky Way shoot. 1. Find a dark sky location. Use websites and apps like Light Pollution Map, Dark Site Finder, or Stellarium to locate the darkest skies near you. National parks and remote locations work best. 2. Check the moon phase. Avoid shooting near a full moon. It washes out the Milky Way. The best time is a new moon, or when the moon has set. 3. Use astronomy apps. Apps like PhotoPills, Stellarium, and SkyGuide help you track the Milky Way's position. 4. Weather conditions. Look for clear skies using weather forecast apps. Now that you've planned your shoot, let's set up your camera for the best results. 1. Shooting mode. Switch to manual mode, M, to control settings fully. 2. Aperture. Set to the widest, smallest f number your lens allows, ideally f/2.8 or lower. 3. Shutter speed. Use the 500 rule. Divide 500 by your focal length to avoid star trails. Example: 500 Chutwo E3 20mm 25 seconds. 4. ISO. Start with ISO 3000, 200 to 6000, 400, and adjust based on brightness. 5. Focus. Switch to manual focus and focus on a bright star using live view. Use the infinity focus setting on your lens. 6. White balance. Set to daylight or 3000, 500K, 4000K for natural looking skies. Composition is key to making your Milky Way shot stand out. 1. Foreground elements. Include mountains, trees, lakes, or an interesting subject to add depth. 2. Rule of thirds. Position the Milky Way along the rule of thirds for a balanced image. 3. Leading lines. Use roads, rivers, or natural formations to guide the viewer's eye. Want to take it to the next level? Try shooting panoramas or time lapses. 1. Panoramas. Take multiple overlapping shots and stitch them in post processing. 2. Time lapses. Set up an intervalometer to take a series of images over time. Merge them into a video to create a stunning Milky Way motion sequence. Once you've captured your images, it's time to edit and bring them to life. 1. Editing software. Use Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop, or Affinity Photo. 2. Adjusting the basics. Increase contrast and adjust exposure. Enhance clarity and reduce noise. 3. Color correction. Adjust white balance to remove any color cast. 4. Stacking images for noise reduction. Use stacking software like Sequator or Starry Landscape Stacker. And there you have it. You now have everything you need to photograph the Milky Way like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each time you go out, you'll improve. Be patient, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the magic of the night sky. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more photography tips. Happy shooting!